Everyone on the channel has been asking for a series.
I've been asking for this for a long time.
I did it for everybody.
You guys are gonna be really excited because we're working for J-Rock.
I'm in charge of this build.
This is the first build. I'm not touching it. I'm leaving it all up to them. They're gonna do whatever they want to do.
What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Gonna give you guys a quick recap. I don't know if you guys remember, Jordan's car went off to paint. We got it back, I think maybe like 3 months later or whatever, but we got the car back today, and we're just gonna kind of just go over what the plan is and what's going down. I feel kind of bad right now because I was on vacation. I told Jordan to record and he didn't record. Whatever you see on the car right now, give him shit in the comments because I wasn't here. That was your job, and now
Can't be the cameraman and put the car together.
yes, you could. You can put this thing down on a tripod, bro.
If that was the case, there would be only front hubs in the car.
So,
I mean, the stuff that went on isn't really that bad.
but before I kick the video off, I want to give a huge shout out to ADT. If you guys need any paint work done, I don't know if you guys know, they painted my brother's white hatch. You guys seen that? He did an amazing job. They've been doing killer work. They wrapped their liner the entire car. We literally got the car back. Looks like a brand new shell from Honda. Their paint work and prices are just amazing. So if you need anything in the Connecticut area, just shoot them a DM on Instagram. I'll drop their Instagram tag below. You can even ship them your car. I'm gonna show you guys the car, kind of explain what we're gonna do to it. Basically what Jordan's gonna do to it. It's his build overall.
You guys are gonna be really excited because you guys have been asking for this for a long time. So should we start off in the bay first?
Yes. Some
As
people,
soon as you show them the bay, they're gonna know.
Yeah.
Let's see if they can
Just go straight to here.
Oh, I forgot to cut that off. I gotta send it back to paint.
nah, you guys know what that means. My boy is staying B series.
No, it's not.
H series.
It's gonna be a D series automatic.
Neutral drop all week, baby.
Everyone on the channel has been asking for a B series. I feel like did you do that for the people or did you do that because you're almost 60?
I did it for everybody. Yeah, I'm a little bit of a purist, and honestly, everybody's always like, "K swap the world," but I feel like it's kind of repetitive. So I think a nice B series build would be
B
the
series
trick.
is king right now. Shout out
Yeah.
Speed Factory with 6'6".
Yeah, that's wild.
Yeah.
We ain't going nothing close to that, but we're gonna keep it clean.
So what's the plan? What's the goal?
Just keeping it clean, kind of like a driver's car, somewhat purist. It's not really like a JDM themed or anything. I just want a clean driving car with some nice touches on it. We're gonna do some ITBs on it. It's a JDM GSR, and just keep it clean. That's it.
All right, we'll kind of just go over like real quick. We got JDM headlights, subframes powder coated, everything's brand new. You guys already know how we get down. So when I was in here, Jordan got the dash, hubs. We already had everything assembled, so kind of just got the car kind of into a roller for now. You guys didn't really miss much, just the dash, stuff behind the dash, which kind of sucks I wanted to get because everything underneath the dash is brand new and powder coated nice, but you guys know every single nut and bolt on every car now that we've been touching have been brand new, even down to the hood latch.
You know what I just noticed? You put a horn on your car, but none of our cars have horns on them.
No import that.
He said street car, bro.
Look at that thing.
That thing is. So he's running the harness behind the fender. So this car is gonna be real clean, real nice. I can't wait for the ITBs to go in here and just look at the bay.
It's crazy. This was literally 2 days worth of work.
It looks like you
There's
did
a
like
lot,
a week.
Gas tank's in, all suspension.
Oh, the gas tank is in?
Yeah, harness is in, dash is in.
Blame him in the comments. I couldn't get any of the footage, but you guys see, got ktuned.
Nice four lug too, a little different than what we do.
You decided what wheels you're going with yet?
Not yet. Still in the works. Time will tell.
So I'll drop a quick montage of the car of like kind of the current state. But man, ADT did a killer job on here. Drop the montage now. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Also, we're going to Honda Day and we're actually headed to Florida next week with the all-wheel drive car. We're going to a no prep event. So catch us there. If you guys are gonna be there, stop by, say what's up.
You remember how to drive?
One thing we forgot to mention is the paint code. What color did you go with? Because this is not the factory white.
Should I tell him?
What color did you go with?
Chalk white.
Hey, you're a liar. This does not look like chalk. Chalk white is like, it's off.
Pacific chalk white from like 3rd grade. I don't know if I should tell.
The viewers already hate you from not recording
They
the
are
beginning.
gonna love me for building a B series car.
You think so?
Yeah.
I wanted to ask you, are you putting interior back in here?
The interior is in.
That's it?
Yeah.
What were you saying about stress?
This is the first build. I'm not touching it. I don't have to go over the car. I don't have to plan anything on the car, buy anything. I'm leaving it all up to them. They're gonna do whatever they want to do. My hands are clean. I haven't turned a single wrench on this car. Didn't put anything on. I only have to put the moldings on. That's it.
I don't know. Jordan said the interior is in, and there's nothing in here.
Got one plug left, and then the interior is done.
So what are you gonna just put seats in here?
We got something special. Don't worry.
I feel like we're working for J-Rock. Like he tells me what he wants to do, what he wants to buy. I'm gonna
Send me the link. I'll buy it.
Yeah.
Some of those links may not be for this car, but just order them, right? When they come in, let me know.
Yo, let me get the paint code.
He copied me, bro.
What's the paint code?
Grand Prix white. My NSX S2000. Same thing.
So NSX S2000 white.
Grand Prix white.
Nice and clean, baby.
I like it. That's the same color as your car?
Yeah, same color as my car. The reason why we went with that is like the brightest white you can pretty much go with, staying within the Honda colors. The Frost white has like a bluish tint to it. The taffeta white is nice too, but it has more of a yellowish tint. This is more.
This looks good.
Yeah, I like these.
It's bright. What's the GSR white?
Taffeta white.
Taffeta. I like that
And
one
then
too.
the older GSRs 95 is Frost white also. Same thing like
We
this.
painted a car frost one time too, right?
Yeah, I'm not a fan of the Frost is nice maybe if you're trying to really, but I'm not a fan of it.
Championship white.
Championship white, nah, it does.
I feel like if it's
it.
not a real type R, it shouldn't be championship white.
Nah, I agree. Yo, bro, it's day 2 and I get back. Windows don't usually go in for like a week.
Listen, I'm in charge of this build. There's no slack.
This build is just moving way too fast.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
Warm weather's coming. We got car shows to go
This
to.
thing's gonna be done in one video, bro.
That's all right. We'll keep them coming, right?
I like-
builds after this.
I like the radiator you just put in here.
Yeah, something different. Cause I'm old school, you know. I'm just trying to keep it.
Show us what you got. My boy went with a full-size Koyo radiator. I like it. I like where this is going.
It's different, you know. Everything's so cookie cutter now, like the way we do things. We gotta switch it up a little bit.
Got my boy Sigi in the building about to put in some windows.
So you see this? Excuse me.
You know what time it is?
Yeah, that's
You got
that's
handprints?
$100 off his labor right now. You got my
Handprints on my boy's hood.
Yo, take your hoodie off. What? I dare you. Take your hoodie off.
Yeah, take the pull.
What's underneath?
Pull
the thumbnail.
pull the hoodie up.
Shut up, man. You getting me, bro.
My boy got some overalls on. It's crazy right now. Let me see. Let me see it. Yeah, you gotta slap him. You gotta slap him. Alright guys, end of day here. Shout out to Sigi Brothers. They got the windows in. Car's coming along. Still waiting on ITBs, small parts, rotors, few bearings, stuff like that. What do you think?
Can't believe this is it for the interior though.
J-Rock like to keep it simple.
It's gonna be 2 seats. I think he's doing floor pans, the checkered stuff, but I'm not sure. And door panels, and that's it for the interior, which is crazy.
Yes, I don't know if that would be me. I couldn't do it, that's for sure.
It's probably almost pretty much done. Well, not almost done. He just went on motor mounts. It's still a good amount of stuff.
He's working this one backwards because normally he did the
That's how he
interior.
likes to work though.
Yeah.
Usually my car,
We do the motor first, the engine first, and then everything after. Jordan made it a roller. He's putting the doors and fenders and everything else on before he gets into the engine bay. I think he's gonna do the engine bay last. It's just a B series.
Check
Keep
out
it
the small
simple.
detail though. We picked up the bumpers today. Jesse knows how I am already. Check out the back side of the bumper.
Oh, you painted the backside for you? Or for Jordan?
small details.
So the rest of the plan is to get the engine pretty much all complete. We get the doors back tomorrow from paint. We're gonna get the outside, I guess, pretty much done. They sent their wheels out to powder coat. I'm not gonna say what they did yet. I don't know, I say in like a few, Jordan's been working really quick on this. I say in a few videos this thing should be all buttoned up, but I'll see you guys tomorrow. What up guys? So unfortunately, I can't record much further because you got the car pretty much where you need it to be. And I ordered the ITBs yesterday and it says 3 months.
Yeah. What was the other part? I wanted a special wing. It was like
You wanted a
3 to
wing,
6
3 to
months.
6 months. The ITBs were 1 to 3, I guess, but they said 3 months. Wait for the total ITBs.
That's crazy.
If I knew you were going to be serious, I would have ordered these parts like months ago. So your car is pretty much at a standstill. We're waiting for motor mounts. What else are we waiting for?
The mounts, the ITBs, we gotta still figure out seats. The wheels we sent out for powder coating and brakes. Just like little odds and ends. We gotta finish putting the doors on and the wiring in there, but there's not really much work. We're just really waiting now.
My brother was saying yesterday how you worked this one backwards because you normally do like with you in the engine bay first. This one you started basically on the roller.
But
And
this is like mentally, like I like to just build the car first. Like this is how I feel like it's smoother this way. Because when you put an engine in, then you gotta work around the engine on like suspension, brake lines, brake booster, like it's just kind of a pain. I like doing stuff like this. And that way when the motor's ready to drop in, you just put it in, wire it up, and you're good to go.
all right guys, so I'm gonna close this video out. I don't know how long this is gonna be, but this car is pretty much gonna stay like this until we get the rest of the parts. I think when we get motor mounts, we'll maybe put the motor in. I don't know, we're gonna figure that out after. So plan now is dyno in the next video, the 3 cars, and then Honda Day after that. Hopefully after Honda Day we'll come up with a game plan of what we're gonna do to this, but that's pretty much it for now.
Yeah. And we got some other stuff in the works too.
So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next video.